So are you not yet monetized on YouTube, but you want to start making money? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to teach you 7 ways that you can make money without being monetized. Hi, my name is Morgan Stradling, and I'm a video strategist that teaches content creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses how to grow their businesses and online presence using YouTube. And one thing that I've realized in coaching other content creators into growing their YouTube channels is that so many people think that AdSense is the only way that you can monetize your YouTube channel. It is the end-all, be-all, and that's why so many people focus on it. I actually have a video that talks about how I got monetized on YouTube and the whole process, and there are so many comments in there of people who are still waiting to be monetized. But what they don't realize is that they don't have to wait to be monetized to make money. So that's why I really wanted to make this video. So let's jump right into it so you can start making money from your channel. All right, so the very first way that you can monetize your YouTube channel without AdSense is affiliate programs. This is the number one way, and every content creator should be using this. What affiliate programs are is basically you get a commission for referring sales to another company's product or service. Plain and simple. So if you talk about different products in your videos, or you're doing product reviews, or anything like that, there may be an affiliate program where you can get compensated for people who end up purchasing that product through your link. These are called affiliate links. And so many YouTubers and bloggers and influencers use affiliate links because it is one of the easiest ways to make money and also to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, affiliate links are so great because there are affiliate programs for nearly everything out there. Obviously, physical products and goods, but there's also links for software and for programs and for digital courses. The sky's the limit with affiliate links, so definitely start looking into different affiliate programs that work for you, your channel, and your audience, and start including those in your video so you can start making money. You don't have to have thousands of subscribers to start using affiliate links. All you need to do is apply and get accepted to the program, and then you can start sharing the product and sharing your affiliate links. So 2 examples on my channel. The first one is TubeBuddy. This is a program that I use to do all of my SEO research for my YouTube videos. It has so many features for YouTubers and content creators that streamline your process when it comes to making and uploading your YouTube videos. I absolutely love TubeBuddy, and I've talked about it in a bunch of other videos. And so as a result, I'm a part of their affiliate program. And in the description box of all of my videos, I include a section that's tools that I used for my business or my YouTube channel. So I include the link right there. So people can click on that link and then purchase a license to TubeBuddy, and then I will get a commission. And actually, I worked with TubeBuddy and I got a special code for you guys. So on top of using that link, if you use the code MorgansBuddy, you can get 20% off whatever package you end up going with. So again, that is a very easy way to make money because I use TubeBuddy and I promote TubeBuddy, and so I'm getting compensated when others use TubeBuddy by clicking my link. Another one that I use is the Amazon Associates program, which is their affiliate program. Everybody shops on Amazon because they literally have everything. So it just makes sense that I'm a part of their affiliate program for different things that I talk about. So people always ask me, what gear do you use? What do you use for this? So in the description box of all of my videos, I have a little section of all of my camera gear. And you better believe every single one of those are affiliate links. So if you click and end up purchasing, I get a commission. Now, of course, anytime you are using affiliate links, it's important that you disclose that they are affiliate links. Especially if you're in the United States where I am, this is very important to do. So I just have a little disclaimer at the bottom of all of my videos letting people know that some of the links in my description could contain affiliate links, and I do get paid a commission if people purchase using those. Pretty plain and simple. I think at this point, people are very familiar with affiliate links. And a lot of times people really do want to compensate you for all of the hard work that you're doing. And the great thing with affiliate links is it doesn't cost them anything. All it really costs them is just the time to click on the link, and there we go. All right, the next way that you can monetize your YouTube channel without AdSense is services. So these are things that you offer people as a service. So for example, these are consulting, coaching, audits, anything like that. Through your YouTube videos, you may have people reach out and say, hey, I love your work. How can I work with you one-on-one? And that's where a coaching program can come in, where you can work with someone individually and really dedicate a lot of attention to help them achieve their goal. I obviously do this in my business, and I have so much fun working with my clients and helping them use my strategies to grow their YouTube channels. I actually have opened up a few spots in my YouTube coaching program. So if you are interested, go to morganstradling.com stradling.com/YouTube coaching, and you can apply right there. So with these services, the way that you can monetize your channel is basically you're using your videos as a way to bring people in, to introduce them to you, and then they want to take it a step further and work with you individually. Services are absolutely great, and I would definitely consider them if you are a subject matter expert or there's something that you focus on, because there will always be people that, while they do love your videos, they want to jump to the front of the line and just get the information. So that's where your coaching and your consulting services come in. Another service that I offer is I actually make YouTube videos for other companies. So they've seen my YouTube videos and they like the way that I present things, and so they actually pay me as a freelancer to film and record YouTube videos for their channels. So that is pretty fun and exciting, and another service that I offer so that way I can make money with YouTube. All right, the next way that you can make money without AdSense is digital products. These are your own products that you can sell digitally. Think ebooks, think digital courses, think online planners, templates, worksheets, you name it, there is a digital product out there. And I actually did a video all about 15 different types of digital product ideas. So if you're struggling as to what even a digital product is and what are the different types, definitely check that video out because I go into all of the details, and hopefully that will get the gears spinning in your head and give you some ideas. But as a YouTuber or a small business, these digital products are great because you can share a lot of tips and strategies in your videos. But if people want to have something tangible or take it a step further, you can direct them to your digital products. So for example, if you have a finance YouTube channel all about budgeting, you can have a budget spreadsheet that someone can download and then use your budgeting strategies that you share in your videos, and then they can apply it in their real life for their monthly budget. So for example, a digital product that I am working on right now, and I am so excited, is a digital course all about getting started and growing on YouTube. While I do have a lot of YouTube tips on my channel, my best strategies and all of my workflows and my templates and everything, all of that, I save exclusively for my one-on-one coaching clients. But since my time is limited, I can only have a handful of clients at a time. So that's why I'm launching this digital course, because it is going to then teach you everything that I teach my clients so you can grow and scale on YouTube. I am so excited for it. So if you're interested in signing up for my course, be sure to go to morganstradling.com/waitlist, and that will direct you to the waitlist for my digital course. Of course, the link is also in the description. All right, the next way that you can monetize your channel is through merchandise. This is classic. Everybody knows merch, especially with your big YouTubers. It seems everybody has merch that they are selling, and there is a reason. People want to be a part of you and your brand, and they want to support you. And the way that they can do it is by wearing your gear. And you do not have to wait to be monetized to do this. There is a big spectrum on merch. It doesn't just have to be t-shirts. It can be sweatshirts, hats, mugs, pencils, pins, all sorts of things. The sky is the limit, but you definitely don't have to have a certain number of subscribers before you start offering merch. You can print merchandise yourself and then manage and sell it on your own. That's really expensive and timely. Or you can use a company like Teespring, which basically is a print-on-demand merchandise shop, which is really, really great. I'll include a link down below for Teespring. And unlike digital products, merch is a little bit more complicated, especially if you are printing and managing it and storing the inventory yourself and shipping it yourself. It's going to take time away from your YouTube channel. So that's why I would definitely recommend some of these other companies where they're print on demand, or they will manage the merch for you. So that way you can just focus on what you do best, which is making YouTube videos. All right, next up is sponsorships. You do not have to be monetized or even that big to have sponsorships. Sponsorships are basically where a company will pay to have their product or service or company shouted out in your YouTube videos. It will be promoted directly in your YouTube video, and they compensate you for doing so. And really the big misconception is that you have to have thousands of subscribers before you can be sponsored, and that is not the case. I actually haven't had any sponsors on my YouTube channel yet, but I started getting inquiries from sponsors before I even had 1,000 subscribers. I think when I had 800 subscribers, a company reached out. And companies continue to reach out, but I haven't yet found ones that I think are a really good fit for you guys or a product that I really truly believe in. So I haven't had any sponsored videos on my channel yet, but I will be soon, and that's really, really exciting. But If I wanted to take that first sponsor, it was a pretty good company, but it just wasn't 100% of a fit. I definitely could have, and I could have done it with less than 1,000 subscribers. Also with sponsors, you don't have to wait for sponsors to come to you. If there's a company that you really love working with or you use their products, you can reach out to them. Now, obviously, because your audience is much smaller, the rate is going to be much lower, but you may find that companies are willing to pay that. So definitely don't ignore sponsorships when it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel. All right, the next way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is with fan funding. This is where your fans and your audience will support you monetarily through one-time or monthly donations. So this can be as simple and easy as having a PayPal or a Venmo button where people can just donate a couple dollars here and there. Or you can use more sophisticated websites like Patreon. Patreon is really one of the most popular and fastest growing ways of having fan funding. And with Patreon, you can have different levels and tiers that people can pledge. You can do this as a one-time basis, on a per project basis, or on a monthly basis. And it really is a great way that you can have income into your channel to help support you and your business. Patreon has become incredibly popular. I use Patreon for my podcast, and what we do with the Patreon is, depending on the different tiers that you're at, you get different perks. And so for my podcast, even on our basic tier, you'll get access to our podcast ad-free. So if you just don't want any ads ever, then subscribe to there. And if you want even more engagement, then you go to a higher level. And even on our highest level, after they've been a patron for X number of months, they can actually be a guest host on our show. So there's a variety of ways that you can structure your fan funding through Patreon. It's really cool, it's exciting. And if people truly are fans, they will want to support you, sometimes even if they're not getting anything at all. I know some creators where they just have one tier, hey, thanks for supporting me, and the patrons don't get anything. And that's okay. So it's up to you how you want to structure it, how complicated you want to make it. But I'll definitely include a link down below where you can sign up and start your own Patreon if you're interested in growing and monetizing your channel that way. All right, the next way that you can make money with your YouTube videos is by licensing your videos. Yes, you heard me correctly. You can have someone pay to have a license to use your video on their platforms. There are a few companies and websites out there, for example, Junkin Media, where you can submit your different videos into a database or a library, so that way when people are looking at videos to license, you can show up there. So that is one way. A common example I think of when I think of this is the Chewbacca mom. If you remember a few years ago, there was this viral video on Facebook of this mom who bought this Chewbacca mask that whenever you started talking, it would make Chewbacca sounds. And she was just laughing and having a good old time. She thought it was the most hilarious thing in the world, and her reaction was quite funny, and it just blew up. And what she ended up doing, because it became so popular, is that she would license the video out to the different outlets and news companies who wanted to use it, and she made money that way. So definitely don't think that you put a video on YouTube and that is the only place where you can put it. Absolutely not. You can use that video and make money from that video in other ways, and licensing is a great way to do that. There you have it, guys. 7 ways that you can make money right now with your YouTube channel and not even be monetized with Google AdSense. If you think monetizing your channel without AdSense is pretty awesome, then give this video a like, and be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these 7 ways to monetize your channel you found the most interesting and what you're gonna start doing right now to make more money. And I did mention this earlier in the video, but I am working on a digital course all about YouTube, my best tips, tricks, and strategies, everything that I use with my one-on-one clients to really streamline and grow their videos. I am going to be sharing it all in my first digital course. I am so excited. So if you are interested and you want to know more, be sure to check out the waitlist at morganstradling.com/waitlist. The links for everything I mentioned in this video, of course, are mentioned down below. Be sure to subscribe to join the tribe, and that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Their online presence. So then people can click it and then purchase a license to TubePutty. Be sure to check out the waitlist at morgan.com. I wish. Tribe, and until next time, I'll see you next time.